Hey everyone, I'm Sunny, and these are the Beats EP on-ear headphones. These are the least expensive pair of headphones you can get from Beats right now. You could pick up the EP headphones for $129.99, and while they're not cheap, they do feel really well made and they sound great. Opening up the box, you'll find the headphones inside of a soft pouch. They don't come with a hard case or a zippered pouch, but the soft case is nice. And even though the headphones are very durable, they still seem vulnerable if you're going to throw them into a bag or travel with them. You'll also get a quick start guide, a warranty card, and a Beats sticker. When I first saw these online, I was worried that they would feel cheap. My first impression of these was how well made they felt. They have a nice and solid feel, and they have some heft to them as well. The headband is a mix of plastic and rubber. There's the Beats name on the top, and inside is a nice feeling rubber that just has a bit of padding on the top. The headband has a firm and smooth glide when you adjust them. There aren't any clicks, and it gives it a nice premium feel. The headphones are available in 4 colors: blue, red, white, and black. The body is a mix of matte plastic and metal. When it comes to the sound quality, I think Beats did an okay job here. There's definitely an emphasis on the low end, but I think it sounds good for all types of music. For the most part, they're very well balanced, but the bass is a little bit heavier and thicker. I think Beats did a great job with these. The build quality and feel is top notch, and they're extremely comfortable for on-ear headphones. If you prefer headphones that lean more towards heavy bass, you won't be disappointed at the way these sound. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.